Well, Calvin, these are the days that you have to love your job.
I bet.
Like, I had to work in the rain all day. What does that mean? Well, this is what it means. All your tools get wet. Your pants are soaked before you even start working. It's beautiful. Just watch out. You ready?
Yep. Down the bottom.
Yep. Now we're on an easy street. All right, now lift the bottom. We gotta get up over that ledge. Hope you got that one with Kelly went down.
What's the party?
Me falling in the mud.
Did you?
You cut his finger already.
I didn't cut your finger.
Water Friday, right?
My waterproof boots are working great, to be honest with you.
Your feet are soaked?
No, they're
Oh.
great. First thing I ever bought that I'm happy about, to be honest with you. Should I get it in the camera too? Get some
Yeah,
sponsorship?
get a sponsorship out of it.
What's the brand?
Yeah.
Ready?
Alright, so from what I heard, most of this will fit.
Okay.
So really we should be able to go bring the new
Take
one
this
in.
one out, put that one. We're leaving the air cleaner, everything?
Yep. The new filter should slide in there. Yeah, all this is going. So new furnace, new coil, it's gas piping. We're gonna have to fix. We don't leave stuff like that. I mean, look at, if there's an emergency, I can't even reach the shut off, you know? We're gonna do a new damper motors, which are zones in the house that operate different areas of the home. And we're gonna do a new zone panel here, which this one is outdated and needs to come out. So, and along with all that, we're gonna get a new electronic filter, which is gonna help, you know, have cleaner air in the house. So, hopefully, we've been on we worked till 8 o'clock last night and doing the furnace, trying to get people's heat on. So we're gonna do this today, get people's heat on and move on. See what we could do. We're getting more heat on for people. And then have a cocktail. Yeah. Serenade us. Holiday music.
Yeah.
I didn't think the basement would be that cold.
Yeah, there's one screw down.
Yeah, text me with that robocall. No, you got the pants. Your underwear wet yet or what?
Your underwear was. cut out the same cutout we always do, right?
Yeah, this is gonna be higher no matter what, right?
22.
22. What am I on?
Our cutout is right there.
Yeah, 22 for 4. We're putting in a new zone panel here. So all the thermostats could be up to date. They no longer need batteries. They send a spare leg up to the thermostat, so the biggest pain for thermostats is you have to replace the battery. So we're gonna give the customer a spare leg up there if we can, you know, to keep the thermostat charged. And if they ever want to do a Wi-Fi thermostat, well, it's ready to go, you know.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
She is? She's like almost like a hippie.
Oh, she don't like dress up. It's got to go back to you this way, but I can always do mine on the bottom.
All that stuff, they said, oh, what kind do you want? I want mastic. Oh, you can somebody else in.
Just set up.
There you go, just fired. So just make sure you got airflow coming out up there, please. And then I'll have you shut that one off. The zone damper will be closed, so it's not allowing the air to come through.
Okay.
So when the zone calls, say your bedroom upstairs calls for heat, this damper opens and allows the air to pass through and go up.
Okay.
I'll
Okay.
give you
All
a
right.
quick video rundown what we did. We changed out the zone panel, reattached all the ductwork, changed the zone dampers, just what we did.
Okay.
All right.
So today we had a gas furnace replacement. We first of all we changed the furnace out to a brand new Goodman furnace with an AC coil on top. We replaced the gas line going into it. We repiped the venting for the flue gas, your inlet and your exhaust. We put a new zone panel on to control all the zones. There's 3 zones in this house, so 3 different thermostats controlling it. We put new zone dampers in the ductwork. We wired them all up, and we put a new electronic air cleaner in, and we made some ductwork fabrications to make the furnace fit. And that's all in the day's work.
Yeah, no, no lines.
Okay, so there's refrigerant, it'd be a different story.
Safer to go around this.
I've been trying to go up the hill.